This is a nice Siruba 504M3-05 used machine, an excellent condition, makes marrow. Now the machine is set up on a nice marrow, as you see the marrow over here. And both sides, you can take a look. Tag number 4350. We're going to demonstrate the machine right now to work. It sounds very smooth and very nice, as you see right now. Take a look for yourself. The sounds of the machine. It's very smooth and very, very nice. Now we go to different fabric, as you see over here. We're going to feed that fabric. And thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company.